simple on this. What's the most you've had from lightning dice?
7k.
Huh?
7k.
How?
On that. With in a hit. And one hit 7k.
How?
And
What?
half.
How much do you have in there?
25 euro on
Oh
3.
fuck!
Go!
Oh! Lucky! Lucky! Oh shit! Yo! 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 Shit! Oh shit! Lucky!
Oh, stop, Paul.
Lucky! Lucky! Yeah!
I told you. That's my game. Okay. I told you.
Here comes the money.
Here we go.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Boom! Fuck!
This is amazing.
2K!
17. 500x.
Oh fuck! Cause I didn't see that. I wasn't looking. I didn't.
500x.
What the fuck?
Like you
Just
know
like that.
what it's doing, bro.
Yo, Lucky's gonna take me to the green today. Shit.
I told you it's difficult number, but very good multiplier. I told you.
He's taking me to the green.
2k on
I need backup today.
2k on the dice.
2K on dice.
Man, 3,000 we leave. 3,000 we go. Leave. He's eating mango. Mango. This is another clip, bro. Another clip. For the John.
Mango. Mango.
Basta, close the live. Close the stream. Go. It's good. We close.
Yeah.
With the profit. 2 and go. We go. 3,000 go. It's okay, bro.
I say 3,000. Yeah, we go
Mami.
and open the hunt. Open the bonuses. Yeah. 3K open.
Ma it's the first bet. Or the second bet? Second bet, guys.
Was it the
Second bet. 500x. Amazing. Coward. You know. Amazing. You know, this is my game. Crazy.
Crazy. Oh, Lucky's the man. This is the guy. Shit.
The last, and we leave this game. Go. 3,000. It's a poco. Ma it's good. It's good. Very good. Go.
Go. Ah.
Good profit.